Wait. Please wait. Okay. So, como zalevu? Como zalevu? Savabia mercy. Say. Yes, still I am not getting good response. I will do one thing. I am going to share and give me the spellings. Not in your notebook. If you want to write, please write in your rough book. Today I will give you few more words in French. Simple small words that you can use in the class. So please, if you want, you can write in your rough book. Pardon? Pardon? Yeah. So if you want, please write in the rough book. And I can see many of your cameras are off. Krishnaveni, Tejas, Faiz, please keep your cameras on.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, Anupama has some video problem.
Okay. I understand, Anubhava. Okay. So, como zalevu? Como zalevu means how are you? When I am giving French words, I am pronouncing the words. You have to listen to that and try to say that word. Okay? Como zalevu?
Ma'am, you should give the
Yes?
meaning of that also, ma'am.
Yeah, I will give you the meaning and spelling. Yeah, please write in your rough book. Okay, not in your note. Rough.
Now, can you change the pen of the color?
Wait. Okay, so como zalevu. See the spelling of como zalevu? COMMENT. Como zalevu.
Ma'am, you write this?
See rough book. I have written here rough. If you're writing, only write in your rough book. Como zalevu. Como zalevu. Repeat. Como zalevu.
What is
The.
C-O-M-M-E-N-T?
Pardon? Como zalevu means how are you? How are you?
M-M-E-N-T, right?
Yeah, I will give you the spelling. Como zalevu means how are you? Then the reply will be I am fine, thank you. To say I am fine, thank you in French, it is Sava bien merci. It is not kava. The word is not kava. Sava. See, Savabien. Savabia mercy. MERCI. Savabia mercy. Savabia means I am fine. I am fine. Now, mercy means thank you. Thank you. Mercy is thank you. So, como zalevu. Repeat. Como bonjour. Como zalevu. Repeat. And the reply will be Savabia mercy. Savabia means I am fine. Mercy means thank you. Okay. So now I'm muting everyone for some time.
One doubt.
Yes. Ask your doubt.
Ma'am, can you tell to pronounce that comment, that first one?
Okay. Can you pronounce? It is not can you tell to pronounce. Can you pronounce como zalevu? Okay. Como zalevu. Como zalevu.
Como zalevu.
Right. One more time. Como zalevu.
Como zalevu.
I expect everyone to practice there, even though if your mic is muted, it's okay, fine, but still you have to practice. Como zalevu. Okay, then reply will be Sava Bia Mercy. Sava Bia Mercy.
Sava Bia Mercy.
Okay, now I am muting everyone.
Ma'am, we should.
See, if you want, you can write in your rough book, not in your notebook. Notes, I will give a common note for everyone. Okay, yeah. So now what I'm going to give you is share with you is a few words that you can use in the class, in our French class daily. Small few words. So the first one is almost in every class you will say yes, yes, ma'am, yes. So to say yes in French, the word is oui. Oui. See the spelling? O-U-I. Oui. We. You can try practicing the word we. It is not oi. U. We. We means yes. So how to say yes ma'am in French? Oui madame. Yes ma'am. How to say? Oui madame. Okay. The same way no in French. To say no in French pronunciation is same, no itself, but there is small change in the spelling. See the spelling of no in French? N-O-N, N-O-N, but we will not say non, no, that is wrong. Same pronunciation as in English, no, because this N is ending with a consonant letter and that letter will be silent. Since it is ending with a consonant letter here, N will be silent. So we will not say non, the sound is, pronunciation is no itself, same as in English. No, madam. No, madam. No, ma'am. How to say no, ma'am? No, madam. Okay. Now, other common word we are using is, can you say? Okay, your mic is muted. Okay. The other common word is okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So, to say okay in French, the word is d'accord. D'accord. See the spelling? D apostrophe A C C O R D. D'accord means okay. D'accord means okay. Here also the word that ending with D. D'accord, the ending D will be silent. Consonant letter that will be silent. D'accord. D'accord. Keep on practicing when I am saying the word. Please keep on practicing the d'accord. Okay, ma'am. D'accord, madam. D'accord. Okay. Now, next one. We are taking attendance daily, right? We are taking attendance daily. So, we'll say present and absent. To say present, the same spelling. To say present, it is same spelling. P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Present is same spelling as in English. But pronunciation is present. 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 To say present, ma'am, you can say presso, madam. Presso, madam. This T will be silent. T will be silent. Presso, madam. Now, the same way to say absent. Absent. A-B-S-E-N-T. Same spelling as in English. Absent. Here also T will be silent. Absent, madam. Absent. Absent. Okay, so when I take the attendance, the students, they can unmute and say presso madam. If that student is absent, then one of you in the class can say abso madam, like that. So you got present and absent, and once the class ends, we say goodbye, right? Goodbye, ma'am. How to say goodbye in French? Au revoir. Au revoir. R-E-V-O-I-R. Au revoir means goodbye. Au revoir. We are not pronouncing this R here. Instead, Malayalam alphabet, Malayalam letter Ra. Ra sound. Ra sound. Au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. And the ending letter R will be also silent. Ending letter R will also be silent since it is a consonant letter. Au revoir. Okay, so we learn merci. Merci means thank you. Oui means yes. No is same as in English, no itself. Then d'accord means okay. Présent means present. Absent, absent. Au revoir is goodbye. Okay, these are the few common words that we can use in our class. Now onwards, please try to use these words in French itself. Okay, you are getting the chance in the French class. You will get the chance in the French class only. Other classes, if you are going to say in French, then your teacher might not understand. So please use in the French class now onwards. Try to use it maximum. Even when you want, if you want to say ma'am, don't say ma'am. Try to say madam. Okay, madam. Okay, I hope you got this. Um, did you write this one? Did you copy this one in the rough book?
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madam. How to say yes, ma'am? Oui, madam.
Oui,
D'accord. D'accord. If you have any doubt regarding this, if you have any doubt, please raise your hand. Just that click the hand raise button. If you have any doubt, you can click the hand raise button. Please, everyone, mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. And if you have any doubt, just click the hand raise button, and I will call your name. Others, Jelin, please mute. Okay, Nerin, yeah. Okay, Nerin, you can ask.
Ma'am, how to pronounce okay?
Dako. Okay, Dako. Dako. Okay, then Anupama.
How to pronounce that Sava?
Sava, Bia, Mercy. Sava, Bia, Mercy. Then ensuite, say Bilsa.
Ma'am, how to pronounce yes?
Oui. Oui. Ensuite, say Rommel. Ensuite, say Rommel. Please unmute. Oui.
Madam, how do we say present and absent?
Present. Present is present. Ensuite, absent. Absent.
Okay, ma'am.
Irene. Irene. Irene, dear, I am not able to hear your voice.
Can you share the board once again?
Yeah, sure, sure. Is there anyone else to ask doubt? Just raise your hand. Just click raise hand raise button. Then I will call your name. Naren, do you have any more doubt?
Ma'am, we say goodbye as Urua, right? Goodbye in French.
Goodbye in French is au revoir. Au revoir. Irene, you want to ask something? Try. Au revoir, right.
Ma'am, what is the French of ant?
French of?
Ant. A-N-D.
A-N-D. A. Spelling is this.
Ma'am, is it E-T?
Yes, E-T. A. And the pronunciation is A.
Okay, ma'am.
Ivan, you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame. Say oui, madame.
Oui, madam.
D'accord. Say.
Ma'am, what? Can you once more repeat the pronunciation of okay?
D'accord. D'accord.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
D'accord. Please try to repeat there. Then only you will learn it. D'accord. Ensuite, say Jelin.
Madam, can you say what is the French of excuse me?
Excusez-moi. That will everything if we learn together, then that will be very hard. So much words if you are learning today. Excusez-moi is the word, but later I will give you. Okay. D'accord? Now this much words. Now you can learn this much words. Not all the words. Few words we will learn, and you will try to say these words in the class itself. Okay, Naren is having one more doubt.
Ma'am, can you say once more how to say present?
Okay, I will do one thing. I'll do one thing. I am going to give the pronunciation of all these words once again. Please do listen, everyone. And not only listen, you have to practice. Repeat after me so that you can get the pronunciation. Okay. D'accord? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Oui. Oui. No. Ducko. Ducko. Fresson. Fresson. Absent. Absent. Au revoir. Au revoir. Okay, now you got the pronunciations properly. Now I am stop sharing. Now onwards in the French class, if you want to say these words, please try to say in French itself. If you say in English, no, I will not understand anymore. If you say these words in English, then I will not understand. Okay, try to say in French itself. D'accord? Now tell me, what did we learn in the previous class? Previous class? You can unmute, I think. Yeah. What did we learn in the previous class? Sorry. Yes. Now you will be able to unmute.
Ma'am, we learned about alphabets, right?
Completed alphabets, right?
No, ma'am.
Till
Ma'am, we finished, but you did not made us all say.
okay. Till which we finished. Okay. Okay. I think I gave practice for everyone till letter P. Till letter P, I gave practice for everyone. Now remaining rest of the letters, I need to give you the practice session. Okay. Now I want all of you to take your textbook, page number 19. Textbook, page number 19.
Can you tell the page number?
Page number 19. 19. One nine. Page number 19, 19. Okay, Dakon Shahat, can you start reading from the beginning onwards? Unmute and start reading.
Ma'am, I don't have the textbook.
Okay, dear, fine, that's it. Okay, Narendran, yes, you can read.
A,
Hmm?
B,
Hmm?
C, D, U, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Trebia, Narendran. Trebia, listen everyone. Another word you got now. Trebia. Trebia means very good. Trebia, very good. So when one teacher is congratulating or saying good, appreciating you, what will you say? You will say? What you will say, Narendran? What you will say when I appreciate you?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. How can you say in French?
Mercy.
Right. Merci, madame.
Merci, madam.
So please keep in mind these words that you are learning, that you will be able to, you can use in the class. So yeah. Now please repeat after me. Okay, I am muting everyone so that I don't want that clash. I am muting everyone. Later I will unmute and ask you to read individually. D'accord. Repeat after me. K, air. It is not air. S, the. See Malayalam letter. The. U, way, W, X. When you say X, that E sound should come from inside, not X like that. X. Solo, little bit of E sound. Solo, little bit of E sound. X. Y, same way. Y. Z. One more time. K, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, I hope now we got this. Stop sharing. And please mute everyone. Now I will call you one by one individually so that, okay, that time you can unmute yourself. When I call your name, you can unmute yourself and say, "Oui, madam," and you can start reading. You don't have to raise your hands. Please don't. Amna, if you have any doubt, yes. Amna, do you have any doubt? No. Okay, fine. So, yes. 6B. Premier person, say Adilakshmi AJ. Adilakshmi AJ. Adilakshmi. Adilakshmi, elle est présente ou absent? Adilakshmi
is absent.
So you can say Adilakshmi. You can say absent. Absent, madame. D'accord, elle est absent. Ensuite, c'est Amal Krishna. Amal Krishna.
Present.
Oui, Amal, please read.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Oui, madam.
D'accord, read.
Ah,
Today, listen, today we are starting practicing from letter Q onwards. Everyone, today letter Q onwards till Z. Yes, Amal, continue.
Q,
Q, it is not Q, Q.
Q,
Hmm?
R,
R.
L,
Hmm?
S,
Hmm?
T, U, V, W,
W.
W,
Hmm?
X,
Hmm?
Y,
Y.
Y,
Hmm?
Z,
Z.
Z.
Très bien, Amal. Ensuite, c'est Amna Anam.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Oui, madame.
D'accord, Amna, read.
Q,
Q.
Q,
Hmm?
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Très bien, Amna. Ensuite, c'est Anna Rose.
Oui, madame.
Oui, madame.
Oui, madame.
D'accord, Anna, read.
Q,
Q.
R,
Q.
Q,
Hmm?
R,
And no, dear, we don't want that R sound there. R, no. R,
R,
right.
S,
Hmm?
T,
Hmm?
U, V, W, W, X, Y, Z.
Y. It is not Y. Y.
Y.
Right. See, when one student is reading and when I'm correcting them, others please do listen and practice there. You also make your corrections. Okay. Maybe I will not be able to call everyone today. See the time. So everyone should practice. Ensuite, say Antilla, Maria.
Ma'am, I don't
Antilla.
have the textbook.
Ma'am.
D'accord, I will share. Antilla, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame. Please. Oui, madame.
Ma'am, can I read?
Read. You are wasting time. Antilla.
Q,
Q.
R,
R.
S,
Hmm.
T,
Hmm.
U, V, W, X, Y,
Z. Z. Repeat. Z. Practice. Okay, Antila. Trebia. Now, randomly I will call names. Nevin, please read.
Okay, ma'am.
D'accord, madame. Oui, madame.
Q R is T
Say.
A U
Others, please do practice.
W
W.
W X
X.
Y Z.
Trebia. Trebia, Nevin. Ensuite, say Joshua. Jos.
Ma'am, can you show me the slide?
Read.
Who?
Hmm?
L
S. U.
U
Louder, please.
U
Hmm?
V
Hmm?
W
Hmm?
X
Hmm?
Y
Hmm?
Z.
Trebia, Joshua. Ensuite, say Najma, Saira. Ensuite, say Najma, Saira. Najma, read.
Q
Louder, please.
S T U V W X
X.
Y
X.
Z
X.
X Y X
Trebia. Ensuite, say Bilsa. 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 Right.
U, madam.
We read.
Q
Who.
R
Who.
Q
Little bit of U touch also. Who.
Q
Right.
R S T U V W X Y Z.
Trebia, Bilsa. Ensuite, say Helen. Helen.
E, madam.
D'accord.
Q
See, it is not Q. 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 Q is wrong. Q. Q. You touch. Yes. Louder, please.
S A U V W X Z.
Trebia. Ensuite, say Anna Rose. Anna, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Anna, read.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, Anna got a chance.
Anna got a chance. Okay, dako. Ensuite, say Bhadra.
Q R S K U V W X Y Z.
Trebia, Bhadra. Ensuite, say Ishal.
Q R S T U V W X Y
X.
X Y Z.
Trebia. Ensuite, say Jayakrishnan. Jayakrishnan.
Q L S T U V W X Y Z.
Trebia Jayakrishnan. Ensuite, c'est Parvati. Parvati. Oui, madam, not oi. Oui, madam. Dakko Parvati, read.
A B K T E F J H A G K L M N O P
Trebia Parvati. Ensuite, c'est Nevin Joy. Nevin Joy.
Q
Louder, please.
Q
Q.
Q R S T U V W X
X.
X Y Z.
Z. Trebia. Yes, now it's almost time, so I am winding it up. In the next class, we are going to start with new topic, Les Saxo. Okay, so everyone, please do revise and practice these alphabets and come. How to say goodbye in French?
Au revoir, madame.
Au revoir. Au revoir.
Madame.
Au revoir.